Boo, 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 boo. It is spring favorites time. It'd be cool if I did like some kind of swivel intro. Hey, I'm gonna get dizzy. Okay. Hey. Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I am super excited because this is actually my first video that I'm recording a face-to-face intro in my nail room, my new nail room. I moved, in case you didn't know. It's not officially summer until, is it the 21st or the 22nd of June? I think there's an argument there and I don't know which day. I think it's the 21st of June, but whatever. Anyways, I'm really excited for today's YouTube video because these last few months have been so strange for me and everybody else. And on top of it, we did a cross-country move in the middle of it. Yeah. So, in order to show you guys all the things, I need to flip my camera downwards onto my table. So we're gonna flip right to that right now. If I'm gonna start this video, I'm gonna start with the brand that took me the most by surprise, literally this spring, because if you haven't heard of Kimbers Creations, you need to check her out. I was pleasantly surprised by her colors and her brand. Like, she's killing it. She's freaking killing it. And if you can look at this range, this is just one of the many purchases that I made from Kimbers Creations this spring. So she came out with several collections this spring and I'm like dying in love with it. So these are her June Birthstone colors. I'm a June baby, so I of course needed those. Like, hold on, let me get closer for you. I've seen people do manis with these two colors, so it's like white Akoya and Alexandrite, and just what they do, this combo with these two colors, have been absolutely stunning. And then what else did I love from her? She came out with a 4th of July set. I think it's really, really cute because I really love those dots. Like, look at the dimension of those dots. And then of course this red and blue, like, it's a very light blue. It's not a royal blue, and I really like that it's not a royal blue. And that red is just a nice, bright, vibrant red, but it's also not like a deep red. So I'm really digging these three together as a set. So those took me by surprise. And then if you saw her April birthstones, let me find that color, which I don't have on this swatch ring. Her April birthstone collection, she had Marquise and Diamond, and Marquise is my favorite of, let's not focus on the background. You cannot tell the dimension and the shine and the glitter on camera right here. Like, it's literally not doing it justice. It is so hard to tell how absolutely stunning this color is. It's like shards of diamonds. I'm serious, like, I'm not even kidding. Shards. And it's just like, imagine broken glass. I mean, it's obviously glitter, not glass, but I just really, really love this color. She also had a launch prior to this one where a lot of these colors were released. She also had a launch with some really stunning colors. So I grabbed a Marquise. Trying to find the colors that I bought during that launch. Sorry. Okay. Yep, that's one of them. That's another one. Big top, that one. These. Okay. Here are the colors that I was blown away by, and these aren't even the solids that came in this set. This is my glitter swatch ring. So you see we have some green, some seafoamy colors, a purple, a multi-dimensional glitter, a pink, oh, bee's knees was not part of this collection. And this lemon yellow, so it's strawberry lemonade. It's really cute. I don't know, I'm just like, I get all this summer sweet vibes with these colors. So I was really pleasantly surprised with this collection and this collection from Kimbers Creations. Absolutely stunning. Oh, and she just came out with liquids. Yet to try those, but you know, I'm excited. Moving on to the next brand that never ceases to amaze me, and she deserves credit for the type of colors she comes out with. It is all powdered up. If you've never heard of them, I've done several videos using her products, and I continue to use them on and off camera because I really just love her range. So she came out with this Hawaii collection, and I think it's absolutely gorgeous. I love the shimmers, the pearly colors. So she has Pick Up Pearl, Rainbow, Double Rainbow, so that's a topper, and then she has these glitters, and oh, look at that solid range. That is definitely summery colors. Loving that. And then I love that she had white cap. It's like a milky white. I've worn that several times already. And what incarnation is her April exclusive? No, May exclusive. April, May? Yeah, this was her April exclusive color. It looks a lot better on people's manis than it does on my swatch. Like, I don't even know how to explain it, but it's absolutely gorgeous, and I love the matte glitters in this color. Another brand that I absolutely love, love, love. I've been waiting for these to come in stock from Dipped in Sparkles for quite a while. And these colors are absolutely stunning. So there's like a corally pink, a very nice pink, and then a purple. So I know, yeah, I got like this magenta purple. Don't shut up. But it has flakes in them, and they're really, really pretty neon colors. Like, they're pulling pretty bright on my camera, but they are darker in real life. Here are the colors of Dipped in Sparkles just in the jar, so you can see how vibrant they are compared to my swatches. Although I canceled my Sparkle & Co subscription, these are some of the colors that I absolutely love so much. So when I re-signed up for the birthday bag, I went and bought these colors. This is actually a secret menu, so it's not a subcolor. But I got Surf's Up, Beach Bonfire, and I Want It All 13. It's absolutely stunning. I love that it's like, it has this flowery feel to it, although it's foil, not flower. And I really actually like all three of these together, or even these three together. Aren't they cute? Anyways, and then there's a series of gels that I got in March, April, that I want to say. I'm going to insert a photo of those because the swatches are on my swatch stand, and I don't want to pull those off. Triple freaking D. Have you guys not been paying attention to Triple D? Because if you haven't, you need to pay attention. Wake up, wake up, wake up. Triple D just came out with gels, y'all. Gels. She has matching dip powders for these, so I'm just going to show you guys the gels for now, but look at that gorgeousness. They're so gorgeous, so gorgeous. I really love all these colors, and they apply beautifully, and I'm so happy that she has gels, and she even has gel base and gel top. So if you're looking for a gel base or gel top combo, I highly recommend hers. Hers are thin, but not too thin, and they're just like the perfect consistency. And then also, I just think that these three colors go beautifully together. So she has Sugae Diamonds, which is a beautiful, stunning color that I think, like, if I were to get married, I'd wear this on my nails for my wedding day. It'd be this color. She also has Into the Night, which is a black dip powder that she's had for a while, but I just never got it. And Sugar. Ugh, this combo is just screaming to me that it needs to be done on somebody's nails. So if you have these three colors, put them on your hands, like now. Don't even get me started on Fairy Flakes from Triple D, because it is the most coveted, beautiful, flaky color that I've tried in a long time. I find that this color picks up tones of whatever color it's paired with. So if you pair it next to like a pinky color, it's going to pick up pink tones, but if you pair it next to a blue, it's going to pick up blue tones, and so on and so forth, regardless of what color you pair it next to. Cali Girl Nail Dips. And I was very, very impressed with her products. What led me to her is this dip powder right here called Pool Floatie. Somebody did the most beautiful manicure using this color, so I had to buy it, and then while I was on her Etsy shop, I found a couple other things. Here we go. So Petal Party has to be like my favorite of all the ones I got. I don't really care for Cloud 9, so we're just gonna ditch that one to the side. Cotton Candy is really cute, but these two just have to be my favorites out of the four that I purchased from this brand. They're absolutely stunning and super duper fun, but I will say this one is a BITCH to apply. You have to press them down really, really well. So if you need help with applying chunky glitters, I have a video tutorial on that. So yeah, don't give up. It's worth it, but it's a pain. Moving on to stamping plates that I've loved over the last 3 months. MANIOLOGY has released some beautiful things. So they came out with this cat plate, and if you know me, you know I have two meow meows, two kitties. So I really, really love this. Actually, that's funny. That's giving me Carole Baskin vibes. The way she wears her hair. Okay, I can't unsee that now. But I really like the rest of the designs on the plate and the cats everywhere and the paws and the fish bones. Yeah, love it. Probably my favorite cat plate to date. And while we're on the topic of animals, MANIOLOGY, not MANIOLOGY, MANIOLOGY came out with this animal collection plate. And it's a layerable plate. So you are able to layer from the base, like the body, put the head on, put the accents. I'm talking about a unicorn right now. Put the hair and then put the face. So you layer each step so you get a multi-dimensional stamp. And I can totally do a video tutorial on how to layer a plate like this. I've never done a video tutorial like that. I've done reverse stamping, but never layering. So I think this is really, really fun. I also absolutely loved this plate that they released a couple of months ago. I don't even know if I put it in my last video or not, honestly. So if I did, I'm sorry that I'm repeating. But I love the way that I'm able to layer these women onto this one body, and I can pick like glasses size or different eyes, lips, and all that stuff. I love this part, and I love everything, like the whole message it has here. It's very, very versatile. Man, I may have canceled my Candi skincare subscription, but when this came out, I had to have it. It just sounded really, really awesome, and I love that the proceeds are being donated to a animal shelter. All the details for this is going to be in my description below. It smells amazing, guys, amazing. So definitely huge plus, love this. Revel Nails been coming out with their Gift of Revel colors, and while they've been great, some have been kind of like mediocre, not even gonna lie, but their May Gift of Revel, let me tell you, it's not even picking up that well on this camera. The glitter is everything. Fuck the orange. The glitter is everything. I absolutely love this glitter. So I think the May Sassy Gift of Revel is everything, and I wish that they would release more glitters like this. Just a note, Revel, if you're watching this. Anyways, I've been trying out builder gel lately. I've been testing out the Triple D Opulent Builder Gel on my nails. All my nails broke, and I kind of like forcefully by me because of packing, unpacking. So you can see the length under there. And then this one just broke earlier today. Anyways, so I've had tips, extensions on, and I'm letting my nails grow out so you can see the growth. And then I completely clipped my index fingers back. So I'm actually excited to do a video on this pretty soon and showing you guys my process of applying this, because mine is different than Dodie's from Triple D's process, because I actually require 2 extra steps than she does in order to get this product to stick to my nails. I think that's pretty much it on the things that I love during springtime, so let's get into the outro. Yeah, I hope you guys loved what you saw. If you have a favorite product that you've tried over the last 3 months, let me know. It does not have to be dip powder, so don't even think that it has to be a dip powder product. Girl, I got nail polish in the background right there from Revel Nail and Hollow Taco, so like, I love all the things. Anyways, if you guys like these videos and you like the content that I'm producing, be sure to give this video a thumbs up. So like it, leave a comment below, and if you want, share it with your friends. When you guys like and comment, it helps me out, and I know that you actually like this content. So I really appreciate you guys, and I will see you guys in the next video. Carole, you have not done a face-to-face intro in so fucking long. Oh my god, this is so awkward. What are even my favorite things from this spring? Like this time I didn't compile a list, so how the fuck am I supposed to know? My lips are chapped, just in case you didn't know. Yeah. And cuticle oil. Oh, while I did cancel my cuticle oil subscription, girls, you need to get yourself, oh my god, Hot Mess Marla from Candi Skincare. It is so delicious. You're gonna want to eat your fingers up. It is so good, and it feels so good. Everything Candi Skincare releases feels so good.